So welcome guys to my channel, and I'm here to teach you how to make a custom recovery. And by the way, this is my first ever tutorial on Android. First, extract your stock recovery and then download a custom recovery. And I'm using here a CWM, but you can use others like Twerp and Frills. But make sure to download the same chipset of yours. So for example, you have MTK65, just download a MTK65. And if you have a kernel like 3.4, download a kernel 3.4. So I created a folder here which contains the tools for we are using here, which we will use. And I'm nervous guys. And then download the link on the description below for you to follow and do this guys. First copy the recovery.img, paste it in here, drag it into unpacking.bat. Let's just wait for a moment, and then I will just press enter here, delete this recovery.img, and then copy the split underscored image here, and then copy the custom recovery, paste it in here. But first, click the cleanup and then drag it into unpacking.bat. Wait for a moment, and then I'll just press enter here. And then press back, copy the split underscore image, go to tools, delete the split underscore image from your previous unpacking of CWM or custom recovery, and then paste it in here. Delete the CWM, and then press the repacking.bat. I'll just press enter here. So yeah, this is now your custom recovery. Just rename it. I'll just rename it CWM recovery. You can name it you can name it as well for your preference, and just clean up that bat. So yeah, that's all, and thank you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah.